You know that nearly all of us have that client who promises your payment every Friday and who does so for months on the go. Parliament has just told them that their excuse now has an expiry date. Let me explain. Every small business owner knows this pain by heart. You deliver your invoice, you follow up, and all you get back is, "Sir, next week." India has over 9 crore registered MSMEs and they employ more than 40 crore people. That's the backbone of the economy running on credit that never seems to arrive on time. So here's what just happened. On August 7th, the Lok Sabha passed the MSMED Amendment Bill 2026 just 4 days after the Rajya Sabha cleared it on August 3rd. This is the major first overhaul of MSME Act since it was written 20 years ago, back in 2006. And this matters. It's still a bill, not an act. It needs the president's assent and signature and an official notification before it actually becomes enforceable. So nothing is changing as of today, but what we're talking about is what's coming. And honestly, it's exactly what the sector has been asking for years. What actually changes here are the three changes that will hit your pocket directly once this is notified. First is online dispute resolution. No more running between court dates for every rupee owed. Payment disputes between MSMEs and buyers get resolved digitally, faster and cheaper, and without the paperwork marathon. Second, the 50% rule. Right now, if a buyer challenges your award in the court, your money can sit frozen for years while the case drags on. Under the new bill, if that challenge is still pending after 6 months, the court has to release at least 50% of your payment immediately. So you are not waiting for the whole case to close anymore. Mediation gets a hard cap as well, 90 days. If it fails, the case moves straight to arbitration within 30 days. Not indefinite limbo, no case quietly gathering dust for years. Get your paperwork wrong today and it's warning sign, penalty only if you repeat it. The government is finally treating small business owners like partners instead of suspects. So next time a client sits on your payment, remember, the law is finally getting on your side and it's coming on a fast track. Just remember that it's still a bill for now, not a law yet. I'll update you the moment it gets notified. So have you obtained your Udyam registration yet? Comment below and in the next video, I'm gonna be breaking this Udyam registration down step by step. Because with Prime Accountants, do it right the first time.